Angulimala Sutta Paritang Yam Bhanandasa Nisainathana Dhovanam Udagambi Vinasedi Sabbamewa Parisayang. Even the water with which the seat of one who recites this protective sutta is washed destroys all calamities. Sotina Gabha Vutana Yanja Sadhedi Dankane Thera Sanguli Malasa Loka Anathena Bhasidang Kapathayin Mahatejang Paritang Tam Bhanamahe. This sutta also brings about an easy delivery for expectant mothers at the very moment it is recited. O good people, let us recite this protective sutta delivered by the Lord of the world to the Venerable Angulimala, which has great power and lasts for the entire world cycle. Yadoham Bhagini Ariyaya Jadiya Jato Nabhi Janami Sanchicha Panang Jivida Vorobida Tena Sajena Soti Dehodu Soti Gabhasa. O sister, ever since I was reborn in this noble birth, I do not remember intentionally taking the life of a being. By this utterance of truth, may there be comfort to you and to the child in your womb.